AWS Online Training. Learn and improve your knowledge and skills from experts with Proexcellency. Introduction of AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud computing platform that offers a broad set of global compute, storage, database, analytics, application, and deployment services that help organizations move faster, lower IT costs, and scale applications. AWS is one of the leading cloud computing platforms in the world, with over 300 services available. It is used by a wide range of organizations, including startups, enterprises, and government agencies. The benefits of using AWS. Some of the benefits of using AWS include cost savings. AWS offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which can help organizations save money on IT infrastructure costs. Scalability. AWS is highly scalable, so organizations can easily add or remove resources as needed. Reliability. AWS is highly reliable, with a 99.99% uptime SLA for many of its services. Security. AWS offers a wide range of security features to help organizations protect their data. Flexibility. AWS offers a wide range of services, so organizations can choose the ones that are right for their needs. If you are looking for a cloud computing platform that can help you save money, scale your applications, and protect your data, then AWS is a good option to consider. AWS services. Here are some of the most popular AWS services. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2 provides virtual machines that can be used to run applications. Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3 provides object storage that can be used to store data. Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS provides relational database services that can be used to store data. Amazon Redshift provides a fast and scalable data warehouse that can be used to analyze data. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS provides a managed Kubernetes service that can be used to deploy and manage containerized applications. Features of AWS. Sure. Here are some of the key features of AWS. Pay-as-you-go pricing. AWS offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means that you only pay for the services that you use. This can help you to save money on your cloud computing costs. Global infrastructure. AWS has a global infrastructure with data centers located all over the world. This means that you can deploy your applications close to your users, which can improve performance and reduce latency. Wide range of services. AWS offers a wide range of services, including compute, storage, networking, databases, analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. This means that you can find the services that you need to build and run your applications. High availability. AWS is highly available, with a 99.99% uptime SLA for many of its services. This means that your applications are less likely to be interrupted. Secure. AWS is committed to security and offers a wide range of security features to protect your data. Easy to use. AWS is easy to use, with a simple interface that makes it easy to get started. Support. AWS offers 24/7 support, so you can get help when you need it. Here are some additional features of AWS that you may find helpful. Automation. AWS offers a number of automation tools that can help you to manage your cloud resources. This can help you to save time and improve efficiency. Monitoring. AWS offers a number of monitoring tools that can help you to track the performance of your applications and resources. This can help you to identify and fix problems before they impact your users. Compliance. AWS offers a number of compliance features that can help you to meet your regulatory requirements. This can help you to avoid fines and penalties. Collaboration. AWS offers a number of collaboration tools that can help you to work with others on your cloud projects. This can help you to improve communication and productivity. What is the main concept in AWS? The main concept in AWS is agility. AWS is designed to be agile, so organizations can quickly and easily scale their applications up or down as needed. This is in contrast to traditional IT infrastructure, which is often inflexible and can take a long time to scale. AWS achieves agility through a number of features, including a pay-as-you-go pricing model. This means that organizations only pay for the services that they use. This can help to reduce costs, as organizations are not locked into long-term contracts. A global network of data centers. AWS has a global network of data centers, which means that organizations can deploy their applications close to their users. This can improve performance and reduce latency. A wide range of services. AWS offers a wide range of services, so organizations can choose the ones that are right for their needs. This can help to reduce complexity and improve efficiency. A focus on security. AWS is committed to security and offers a wide range of security features to help organizations protect their data. The agility of AWS makes it a popular choice for organizations that need to be able to quickly and easily scale their applications. This includes startups, enterprises, and government agencies. Here are some other concepts in AWS. On-demand resources. AWS provides on-demand resources, which means that organizations can spin up or down resources as needed. This can help to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Elasticity. AWS is elastic, which means that it can scale up or down to meet demand. This can help to improve performance and reliability. Resilience. AWS is resilient, which means that it can withstand disruptions. This can help to protect organizations from downtime. Scalability. AWS is scalable, which means that it can grow as organizations grow. This can help organizations to avoid vendor lock-in. Security. AWS is secure, which means that it offers a wide range of security features to protect organizations' data. How to get started with AWS? Here are the steps on how to get started with AWS. Create an AWS account. You can create an AWS account for free. Choose a region and an availability zone. A region is a geographic location where AWS infrastructure is located. An availability zone is a specific location within a region. Enable the AWS services you need. AWS offers a wide range of services, so you only need to enable the ones you need. Create a virtual private cloud, VPC. A VPC is a virtual network that you can use to isolate your resources. Launch instances. Instances are virtual machines that you can use to run your applications. Connect your instances. You can connect to your instances using SSH or a graphical console. Manage your resources. You can use the AWS Management Console or the AWS Command Line interface to manage your resources. The challenges of using AWS. Sure, here are some of the challenges of using AWS. Complexity. AWS is a complex platform with a wide range of services. This can make it difficult to get started and to manage your resources effectively. Cost. AWS can be expensive, especially if you are not careful about how you use it. There are many hidden costs, such as data transfer fees and storage costs. Security. AWS is a secure platform, but it is important to take steps to secure your own data and applications. Vendor lock-in. Once you start using AWS, it can be difficult to switch to another cloud platform. This is because AWS has a wide range of services that are not easily replicated on other platforms. Compliance. AWS can be a challenge to use if you need to comply with certain regulations, such as HIPAA or PCI DSS. This is because AWS is a global platform and your data may be stored in multiple regions. Despite these challenges, AWS is a powerful platform that can be used to build and deploy a wide range of applications. If you are considering using AWS, it is important to weigh the benefits and challenges carefully. Here are some tips for overcoming the challenges of using AWS. Start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with a few simple services and learn how they work. Use managed services. AWS offers a number of managed services that can help you simplify your workload and reduce your costs. Automate your deployments. Use tools like AWS Code Pipeline and AWS CodeDeploy to automate your deployments. This will help you avoid errors and make it easier to manage your changes. Use a cloud management platform. A cloud management platform can help you manage your AWS resources more effectively. This can help you track your costs, monitor your performance, and troubleshoot problems. Get help from AWS experts. AWS offers a number of resources to help you get started and use AWS effectively. These resources include documentation, tutorials, and support forums. By following these tips, you can overcome the challenges of using AWS and get the most out of this powerful platform. Why should you consider AWS? There are reasons to choose AWS. Here are a few cited ones. Diverse range of services. AWS provides a suite of cloud computing services covering areas such as computing, storage, networking, databases, analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. This means you can find the services for building and running your applications irrespective of your requirements. Global presence. With its network of data centers across the globe, AWS enables your applications to be easily accessed from worldwide. This proves advantageous for businesses catering to customers or users in countries. Robust security measures. AWS prioritizes security and offers an array of features to safeguard your data. These include encryption protocols, access control mechanisms, and intrusion detection systems. Flexible scalability. Designed with scalability in mind, AWS allows effortless addition or removal of resources based on your needs. This proves beneficial for businesses dealing with fluctuating workloads. Cost effectiveness. As a cloud computing platform, AWS offers diverse pricing options that can align with your budgetary considerations. If you are in search of a computing platform that provides an array of services, global availability, strong security measures, flexibility to scale, and cost efficiency, then AWS is a favorable option. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when choosing AWS. Your needs. The specific services and features that you need will depend on your specific needs. Make sure to evaluate your needs carefully before choosing AWS. Your budget. AWS offers a variety of pricing options, so you can find a plan that fits your budget. However, it is important to factor in the total cost of ownership, including the cost of the services you use, as well as the cost of administration and maintenance. Your technical expertise. AWS is a complex platform, so you will need to have some technical expertise to use it effectively. If you do not have the necessary expertise, you may need to hire a third-party vendor to help you manage your AWS environment. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether or not AWS is the right cloud computing platform for you. Why use AWS? There are many reasons why you might choose to use AWS. Here are a few of the most common reasons. Scalability. AWS is a scalable platform, which means that you can easily add or remove resources as needed. This is important for businesses that experience fluctuating workloads or that need to be able to handle sudden spikes in traffic. Reliability. AWS is a reliable platform with a 99.99% uptime SLA. This means that you can be confident that your applications will be available when you need them. Security. AWS is a secure platform with a wide range of security features. This is important for businesses that need to protect their data and applications. Cost-effectiveness. AWS is a cost-effective platform with a variety of pricing options to fit your budget. This is important for businesses that want to save money on their IT costs. Global reach. AWS has a global network of data centers, which means that your applications can be accessed from anywhere in the world. This is important for businesses that have a global customer base. Innovation. AWS is constantly innovating, adding new features and services. This means that you can be sure that you are using the latest and greatest technology. If you are looking for a reliable, scalable, secure, and cost-effective cloud platform, then AWS is a great option. Advantages of AWS? There are many advantages to using Amazon Web Services, AWS. Here are a few of the most important ones. Scalability. AWS is highly scalable, so you can easily add or remove resources as needed. This is important for businesses that experience fluctuating traffic or need to handle large amounts of data. Reliability. AWS is highly reliable, with a 99.99% uptime guarantee. This means that your applications and data are always available when you need them. Security. AWS is secure, with a wide range of security features to protect your data. This includes encryption, intrusion detection, and access control. Cost-effectiveness. AWS is cost-effective, with a pay-as-you-go pricing model. This means that you only pay for the resources that you use. Global reach. AWS has a global network of data centers, so your applications and data are always close to your users. This can improve performance and reduce latency. Innovation. AWS is constantly innovating, adding new features and services. This means that you can always stay up to date with the latest technologies. Overall, AWS is a powerful cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of advantages. If you are looking for a reliable, scalable, and secure cloud platform, AWS is a great option. Here are some additional advantages of AWS. Flexibility. AWS offers a wide range of services, so you can choose the ones that are right for your needs. Ease of use. AWS is easy to use, with a simple interface and a wide range of documentation. Community. AWS has a large and active community of users and developers who can help you with your projects. Support. AWS offers 24/7 support, so you can get help when you need it. If you are considering using AWS, I encourage you to learn more about it. There are many resources available online, including the AWS website, the AWS blog, and the AWS documentation. Best practices of AWS? Here are some of the best practices of AWS. Use the right services for your needs. AWS offers a wide range of services, so it's important to choose the right ones for your needs. For example, if you need to store large amounts of data, you might use Amazon S3. If you need to run a web application, you might use Amazon EC2. Use security best practices. AWS offers a number of security features, but it's important to implement your own security best practices as well. This includes things like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly scanning your systems for security vulnerabilities. Monitor your resources. AWS provides a number of tools for monitoring your resources. This includes things like CloudWatch, which can be used to track metrics like CPU usage, memory usage, and network traffic. Automate your tasks. AWS offers a number of tools for automating your tasks. This can help you save time and reduce errors. For example, you can use AWS Lambda to run code in response to events, such as when a file is uploaded to Amazon S3. Cost optimize your usage. AWS offers a number of ways to cost optimize your usage. This includes things like using reserved instances, which can give you a discount on EC2 instances. Use the latest features. AWS is constantly adding new features. It's important to keep up to date with the latest features so that you can take advantage of them. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of AWS and avoid common mistakes. AWS in the real world. Sure, here are some examples of how AWS is used in the real world. Netflix. Netflix uses AWS to store and stream its videos. This allows Netflix to scale its infrastructure to meet the demands of its users. Spotify. Spotify uses AWS to store and deliver its music. This allows Spotify to provide its users with a reliable and high-quality experience. LinkedIn. LinkedIn uses AWS to power its website and applications. This allows LinkedIn to provide its users with a fast and reliable platform to connect with others. eBay. eBay uses AWS to power its online marketplace. This allows eBay to scale its infrastructure to meet the demands of its sellers and buyers. WordPress. WordPress uses AWS to host its software. This allows WordPress to provide its users with a reliable and scalable platform to build websites. These are just a few examples of how AWS is used in the real world. AWS is a powerful platform that can be used for a wide variety of applications. AWS Certification. AWS Certification is a program offered by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that validates an individual's skills and knowledge of AWS cloud computing services. There are over 100 AWS certifications available, covering a wide range of topics, from basic cloud computing concepts to advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence. AWS certifications are designed for IT professionals at all levels, from beginners to experienced professionals. They can help you advance your career, improve your skills, and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. Here are some of the benefits of getting AWS certified. Increased job opportunities. AWS certifications can help you increase your chances of getting a job in the cloud computing field. According to a study by Burning Glass Technologies, AWS certified professionals earn an average of 25% more than non-certified professionals. Improved skills. AWS certifications can help you improve your skills and knowledge of cloud computing. This can make you a more valuable asset to your current or future employer. Demonstrated expertise. AWS certifications can demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. This can give you an edge over other job candidates. Access to training and resources. AWS offers a variety of training and resources to help you prepare for and pass your certification exams. This includes online courses, practice exams, and instructor-led training. If you are interested in getting AWS certified, the first step is to choose the right certification for you. There are a few factors to consider when choosing a certification, such as your experience level, your career goals, and the specific AWS services you want to learn about. Once you have chosen a certification, you can start preparing for the exam. AWS offers a variety of resources to help you prepare, including online courses, practice exams, and instructor-led training. The AWS certification exams are multiple-choice exams that are administered online. The exams are scored on a scale of 100 to 1000, and you must score at least 700 to pass. If you pass your exam, you will receive an AWS certification badge that you can use to demonstrate your expertise to potential employees. Here are some of the most popular AWS certifications. AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Associate. This certification is for IT professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to design and deploy AWS solutions. AWS Certified Developer, Associate. This certification is for IT professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to develop and deploy applications on AWS. AWS Certified SysOps Administrator, Associate. This certification is for IT professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to operate and manage AWS infrastructure. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This certification is for IT professionals who want to demonstrate their basic knowledge of AWS cloud computing services. Salary expectations and career opportunities in AWS in India. The salary expectations and career opportunities in AWS in India vary depending on experience, skills, and location. However, according to Glassdoor, the average salary for an AWS architect in India is 8 lakhs rupee per year. Here are some of the career opportunities in AWS in India. AWS Architect. AWS architects design, deploy, and manage AWS solutions. They need to have a strong understanding of AWS services and be able to design solutions that meet the needs of their clients. AWS Developer. AWS developers develop and maintain applications on AWS. They need to have a strong understanding of AWS services and be able to develop applications that are scalable and reliable. AWS Solutions Architect. AWS Solutions Architects help businesses adopt AWS solutions. They need to have a strong understanding of AWS services and be able to help businesses choose the right solutions for their needs. AWS Consultant. AWS consultants provide guidance and support to businesses that are using AWS. They need to have a strong understanding of AWS services and be able to help businesses optimize their use of AWS. The demand for AWS professionals is growing in India, and the salaries for these positions are also rising. If you are interested in a career in AWS, there are many opportunities available. Here are some tips for increasing your salary expectations and career opportunities in AWS in India. Get certified. AWS certifications can help you demonstrate your skills and knowledge to potential employers. Stay up to date on the latest AWS technologies. The AWS landscape is constantly evolving, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest technologies. Build a strong network. Networking with other AWS professionals can help you learn about new opportunities and get your foot in the door. Be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Be proactive and reach out to potential employers. By following these tips, you can increase your salary expectations and career opportunities in AWS in India. Why choose AWS Online Training? There are many reasons why you might choose AWS Online Training. Here are a few of the most common reasons. Flexibility. AWS Online Training can be completed at your own pace and on your own time. This is ideal for people who have busy schedules or who want to learn at their own pace. Affordability. AWS Online Training is typically more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because you do not have to pay for travel or lodging. Accessibility. AWS Online Training is accessible to people all over the world. This is because you can access the training materials from anywhere with an internet connection. Variety of options. There are a variety of AWS Online Training options available. This means that you can find a training program that meets your needs and interests. Interactive content. AWS Online Training often includes interactive content, such as quizzes, simulations, and hands-on exercises. This can help you learn the material more effectively. Expert instructors. Many AWS Online Training programs are taught by expert instructors who have real-world experience in AWS. This can help you learn from the best and get the most out of your training. If you are considering learning about AWS, online training is a great option. It is flexible, affordable, accessible, and offers a variety of options. You can find a training program that meets your needs and interests and learn from expert instructors. Benefits of AWS Training. There are many benefits to AWS Online Training. Here are a few of the most common benefits. Flexibility. AWS Online Training can be completed at your own pace and on your own time. This is ideal for people who have busy schedules or who want to learn at their own pace. Affordability. AWS Online Training is typically more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because you do not have to pay for travel or lodging. Accessibility. AWS Online Training is accessible to people all over the world. This is because you can access the training materials from anywhere with an internet connection. Variety of options. There are a variety of AWS Online Training options available. This means that you can find a training program that meets your needs and interests. Interactive content. AWS Online Training often includes interactive content, such as quizzes, simulations, and hands-on exercises. This can help you learn the material more effectively. Expert instructors. Many AWS Online Training programs are taught by expert instructors who have real-world experience. This can help you learn from the best and get the most out of your training. Accreditation. Some AWS Online Training programs are accredited by AWS, which ensures that you receive high-quality training that meets industry standards. Career support. Some AWS Online Training programs offer career support services, such as resume writing assistance, interview coaching, and job placement assistance. This can help you find a job in the AWS field. If you are considering learning about AWS, online training is a great option. It is flexible, affordable, accessible, and offers a variety of options. You can find a training program that meets your needs and interests and learn from expert instructors. Topics covered in AWS Online Course. There are many topics covered in AWS Online Training, but some of the most common include Introduction to AWS. This topic covers the basics of AWS, such as what it is, how it works, and the different services that it offers. Compute. This topic covers AWS compute services, such as Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, Amazon Elastic Beanstalk, and Amazon Lambda. Storage. This topic covers AWS storage services, such as Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3, Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS, and Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS. Networking. This topic covers AWS networking services, such as Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, Amazon Route 53, and Amazon CloudFront. Databases. This topic covers AWS database services, such as Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, and Amazon Redshift. Machine learning. This topic covers AWS machine learning services, such as Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Rekognition, and Amazon LEX. Serverless computing. This topic covers AWS serverless computing services, such as Amazon Lambda and AWS Fargate. Security. This topic covers AWS security services, such as Amazon Identity and Access Management, IAM, Amazon CloudTrail, and Amazon CloudWatch. Cost optimization. This topic covers how to optimize your AWS costs. The specific topics covered in an AWS online training program will vary depending on the program's objectives and the instructor's expertise. However, the topics listed above are a good starting point for anyone who is interested in learning about AWS. Why choose Proexcellency for AWS online training? Here are some reasons why you might choose Proexcellency for AWS online training. Expert instructors. Proexcellency's AWS online training programs are taught by expert instructors who have real-world experience in AWS. This can help you learn from the best and get the most out of your training. Industry-aligned curriculum. Proexcellency's AWS online training programs are aligned with the latest industry trends and best practices. This ensures that you learn the skills that are in demand by employers. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers a variety of flexible learning options, such as self-paced, live, and interactive training. This means that you can find a training option that fits your schedule and learning style. Accreditation. Proexcellency's AWS online training programs are accredited by the AWS Academy, which is a leading AWS training body. This ensures that you receive high-quality training that meets industry standards. Career support. Proexcellency offers career support services to help you find a job in the AWS industry. This includes resume writing assistance, interview coaching, and job placement assistance. If you are considering learning about AWS, Proexcellency is a great option. It offers expert instructors, industry-aligned curriculum, flexible learning options, and career support services. You can find a training option that fits your needs and interests and get the skills you need to succeed in the AWS industry. Contact information 080315088687 +918722079509 info@proexcellency.com afan@proexcellency.com www.proexcellency.com. Thank you for watching till end.